I'm Alex. This is Code Along with Alex, and let's generate random numbers within a range in Rust. So I'm going to be using the rand crate today, and we'll create a new cargo project. So we'll do cargo new. My Bluetooth keyboard sometimes falls asleep. Cargo new generates random numbers within a range. And then cd into that directory. Let me clear this just to make it cleaner. Is this the correct one? Yes. Open the main.rs. Actually, first, let's update the cargo.toml to have a dependency on rand. And we'll set the version to 0.85. Awesome. Save that file, go to main.rs, and start populating with some random goodness. So use rand, and then RNG, and then we want to change our main function body. Let's add a couple new lines. So start with a let mute RNG equals rand thread RNG. Then let's do a print line, but let's replace this hello world with integer. And then a random value in a range. And we'll specify a range of 0 to 10, not including 10. Great. And then let me close this on the side to make it a little, there we go, easier to see. Let's add another println macro, and then we'll get a float in a range. And we'll do the same, RNG, gen range, 0.0, ... 10.0. Great. Let's save this. And then we'll go to our terminal and do cargo run. And so we're going to be downloading the rand crate into our project. Awesome. And we had a random integer. We got 0, and then a random float. Got 1.8. We run the code again. We would expect to get different values, and we do. Awesome. So that was kind of the standard mode. Now let's go a little more expert mode or advanced. So you can use uniform to obtain values within a uniform distribution. So a little more parameterized. This has the same effect, but may be faster when repeatedly generating numbers in the same range. So we'll do use rand distributions. Distribution. And then uniform. Great. And then let's write a new function, main function body. Do let mute RNG equals rand thread RNG. Next we'll do let die, as in like rolling the dice equals uniform from 1 to 7, not including 7, so 6-sided die. If you're playing some other wild game, you could increase the number to match however many sides your die has. And then let's write a loop statement. So let throw equals die.sample, and then immutable reference to RNG. And then let's print ln, roll the die, throw. And then so we'll print out our throw. And then if throw equals 6, break. So we won't throw forever. We'll throw until we throw a 6. Awesome. Let's save this. Hopefully avoid any infinite loops. Should be good. Cargo run. Oop. Nice. So roll the die, got 3, got a 1, got a 3, then rolled a 6 and stopped. So we tried again. You can see a different sequence of events, and it took a lot longer to get a 6. Try one more time. And again, it was just slightly longer, but still pretty quick. That was awesome. As awesome as it can be to simulate rolling die with a command line. All right. I'm Alex. This has been Code Along with Alex. Hope you enjoyed generating random numbers within range. Hope to see you next time. Bye.